Good afternoon, guys. Time to get dirty on the GTO again. Today we're going to finish up painting the timing cover and stuff on the front of the motor, put a new timing cover, a new water pump on, new seal on the end of the crank, and I'm going to finish up underneath on the rear diff. Last video we put all new brakes, wheel cylinders in the back, and then did all new brakes, new brake lines, bearings, etc. on the front. So we're starting to rock and roll. On Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll get the new motor laid in. I'm going to do that separately, but watch the video. I've also been keeping these short. If you guys want them longer, please comment below if you want more detail. I figured if you're watching these, you might know how to work on a GTO. If not, happy to include the details. I will go ahead and set a camera up and time lapse it for the motor. So hope all is well. Enjoy the video. We'll catch up with you soon. One more thing off the list. New gear oil, new diff cover, gasket, new bolts, and finishing up respraying the motor. That's on there just to protect the motor so it doesn't get paint on it. I'm not going to change that filter, obviously. But we got a new water pump, new timing cover, all new gaskets, new seals. I'm going to paint that next. We are ready for primer. This will be the last thing we do, and we'll put the motor in on Tuesday, only because I don't have time to work tomorrow night. But getting everything tidied up. Okay, we got one coat of primer down. Well, looks like probably this week we'll get into this stuff. That's the underlayment for the carpet that goes on the floor. That's the new carpets. All this stuff came from Ames Performance. That's the new grills, headrests, some kick panels. That's just for the side of the door. Trim for the door threshold. All kinds of stuff in here. So I've got some more downstairs. So got some rocking and rolling to do, guys. Well, there she is with a couple coats of color on it. Looking good. So now we're starting to make some good pace on the GTO. Jeremy came over yesterday and helped get that timing cover on. Getting everything painted up today. Got the diff done and filled. I got a little touch-up paint to do on the rear end, on the differential, sorry. But new diff cover, new gasket, new bolts, all new fluid, diff additive. So she's rocking and rolling. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned. I'm trying to keep these short so keep your interest, but things are going. If you want to see more, please comment below. Tomorrow night I'm going to start getting all the dash stuff undone, and then when Jeremy gets here the next day, we will pull the dash out, and with a little bit of luck, actually, first thing we're going to concentrate on is dropping the motor in. We're going to do the motor and transmission separately so I don't scratch anything under the hood. We're going to pull the hood off, obviously, but don't want to scratch anything under there. And then we'll do the transmission from the bottoms again so we don't scratch anything. And then pull the dash out, hopefully if we have a little bit of time on Tuesday night. But we're making good progress. Again, please comment below if you guys want some longer videos. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time.